I'm Bill McCloskey. I'm the founder of a company called Email Data Source. What we do is we monitor everyone's email campaigns, and we allow you to search those campaigns to see who's working with who, which campaigns are the most successful, what the creative looks like. And today we actually started integrating Twitter monitoring as well, so we're very happy about that.
Congratulations, that's a big step forward.
Absolutely.
And what kind of people are you looking to interact with?
Well, we interact, about 60% of our business is in the affiliate space.
Okay.
Many of our clients are affiliate marketers, publishers, advertisers. They come to use our tool to find new distribution sources and to find new partners to work with, find new offers that are running on various affiliate networks. So we're always looking to work with anybody who's in the affiliate space.
And I think we originally met at a Meet Market at Affiliate Summit in maybe Boston.
I think so.
Yeah. Tell me, what is it that you like about Affiliate Summit?
Well, we get a lot of great leads. So for us, it's one of our best sources for leads all year. So we always do the Meet Market. We always show it at the show, and we find it a very beneficial show for us to find new customers.
Excellent, Bill. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.